Good morning everyone. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Hope you all are fine. So is your EVS exam? How was your EVS exam? Very good. Very good. Yes, very good. So hope to see you that your all of you gave the good exam. So this chapter, after the chapter let's celebrate, we already discussed on the world of plants, world of animals, and I made a video of means of transport in the offline video. Hope you all saw the videos in the YouTube. So after seeing the video, hope you all read the chapter means of transport. We completed the text part and exercise part both in this chapter. So have you any kind of problem? Let me know first from the chapter means of transport. Very good, Shubhecha. I am also fine. Srinika. Now let me know, have you any kind of problem from this chapter means of transport? Because we can't discuss it in your online class, but I discussed it in your offline videos, and hope you all saw those. Shibanita, please check the YouTube. There I already posted some videos about means of transport, to maybe text part and one exercise part. So those 3 videos you can check in the YouTube. Okay. And then read it chapter, because today we will start the new chapter in the sky. In the sky, and that is at page number 82. So everyone take your book, open the page number 82. That's your new chapter in the sky. So in this chapter we have to know that which things we can see in the sky. We can see many things in the sky. If we look at the sky, we can see different things, right? So in the daytime, we can, if we see in the daytime, we can see the different kinds of different things. At the night sky, we can also see the different kinds of things in the sky. So that's to different daytime and nighttime. So here in this chapter, one boy is saying something. So you have to say with me also. So take your book and by reading it, tell me that I see the moon. I see the moon. The moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless me. So the boy is saying a poem. So you have to say also, I see the moon. The moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless me. Okay? Did you revise? Okay. Then see the next part. Here we have to know about the sky. The sky is above us and looks blue. So you know the color of sky is blue. So on a clear day, if we see at the sky, we can see blue sky. We can see blue sky. So tell me, what is the color of sky? What is the color of sky? Blue. Yes, the color of sky is blue. So we can see different things in the sky, as just I told you. We can see, yes, it's blue. So in the daytime, during the daytime, we can see the sun in the sky. Now it's daytime. Now look, everyone, look at the sky and tell me which things you are now seeing in the sky. Now it's daytime, so you can now see, look at the sky. Now look at the sky and tell me which things you are now seeing. Yes, Shritam and Shredatri now seeing sun. Shovik also, Srinika also. No, so Rejaul also. Suraya also are seeing the sun in the sky. So daytime we can see the sun in the sky, and it looks like this, right? If we draw a sun, it looks like this. So the sun is a huge and ball of fire. We call it the fireball also. It continuously firing, and that's why it's so hot. We know the sun is so hot because the sun is ball of fire. If we go to in the winter season, if we light the fire, this bonfire, it's so hot, right? So that's why we enjoy in the winter night. So sun is also as ball of fire. That's why it's so hot, and it's a huge ball. It's a huge ball, and it gives us heat and light. It gives us heat and light. So those things we can get from sun. So which things we get from sun? We get heat and light from sun. We get heat and light from sun because that is ball of fire and it is so hot. Yes. Yes. Now if we go, as it is the daytime, if we go outside of our house, outside of our room or the roof of our house, we can get heat. And in the winter season, you all know, we enjoy the heat, right? In the winter season, we enjoy the heat. And as sun gives us light, so here we don't need the extra electricity because we can see everything, the light of sun we can see. But at the night time, it's too dark, that time we need the electricity, right? So sun gives us light and it gives us heat. So sometimes we see clouds during the day. Most probably we can see the cloud in the rainy season, right? We can see cloud in the rainy season. So dark cloud bring us rain. If we draw a cloud here, so it's a cloud, picture of cloud. So we see cloud during the day, but dark cloud, I make it dark. Dark cloud bring us rain. Dark cloud bring us rain. So rain is falling too much in the rainy season. These things you already know. The rain is falling too much during the rainy season, right? So rain is falling from this dark cloud, but we see a lovely rainbow in the sky. Mostly in the rainy season, at the afternoon time, we can see the rainbow in the sky. And can you tell me that how many colors in rainbow? Now tell me how many colors in rainbow, because it's so beautiful and it's too lovely, the rainbow, when we are seeing in the sky at the afternoon time or daytime also. Actually daytime we can see the rainbow in the sky. Yes, it has 7 colors. So rainbow has 7 colors. Can you tell me the name of those colors? Do you know anyone the name of those colors? Those 7 colors? I'm waiting. Tell me the name of the 7 colors which we can see in rainbow. Yes, it's VIBGYOR. We can call it VIBGYOR. So first V for VIBGYOR. Right? These things we can call it in short form. So V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. So VIBGYOR we can see in rainbow, those 7 colors. And you have to know about the night sky also. We discussed about daytime. Now it's time to know about night time. So night time in the clear sky, do you tell me which things we can see at night sky or at night time? Which things we can see in the clear sky? As you told me, the daytime we can see sun. So which things we can see at night time? As daytime we can see only one sun, and the night time we can see one moon. Moon is only one. So one moon and many stars. One moon and many stars. There are a lot of stars in the sky, and there is one moon in the night sky. And we can see the stars are twinkling in the sky, and they are little, right? They are little in size. As you learned maybe that the rhymes that twinkle twinkle little star. So about the stars, they are twinkling at the night sky, and they are as far from us. They are so far from us. So that's why we can see that they are so little, but they are actually not. They are so huge. They are so huge as sun, as big as sun also. So but we can't see them as huge, as they are so far from us. We can see they are so small, or they are so little. So they are twinkle twinkle little star. Okay. As one thing you have to remember that sun is also an example of star. Sun is also an example of star. So if I ask you, give me one example of star, or write a name as an example of star, you can write the name of sun, because sun is also an example of star. Okay. So from this chapter in the sky, we learned that sky above us looks blue on a clear day, and we can see sun in the sky during the day, and we can see moon and stars at the night sky. The sky is above us and it's look blue on a clear day. So daytime we can see sun, and you know sun gives us heat and light. And at night we can see one moon and a lot of stars. and stars are as little and they are twinkling because they are so far from us. Sometimes you can see cloud in the sky and dark cloud brings rain, not white cloud. Dark cloud brings rain and we can see rainbow also, and you know rainbow has 7 colors. So if you have any kind of problem from this chapter, you can let me know to your next class. So everyone have a nice day. Bye.